Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve how to use rank function in MySQL. So this is another very important function in MySQL windowing function. So we are going to learn it by using two different scenarios. So for that we are going to use this database schema today. So we'll go through the schema. I'll show you a few tables, and we are also going to discuss the two different scenarios how we can use rank function in MySQL. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Also click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Here we create videos to help others learn how to solve different varieties of problems, help them in their interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts along with data structures, algorithms, programming and Java coding. So let's start. So as you can see, there are a couple of tables given here in the employee schema. Employee is one of them here, right? So it has a couple of columns like employee number, birth date, first name, last name, gender and hire date. So employee number is the primary key for this table. There are a couple of records here. So we'll first learn what the MySQL rank function does basically, right? So the ranking function in MySQL are used to rank each row of a partition. So this is another windowing function of MySQL, right? These functions are always used with over clause. The ranking functions always assign rank on basis of order by clause. The rank is assigned to rows in a sequential manner, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. The assignment of rank of to rows always start with 1 for every new partition, right? So this is what the uh, this is how the rank function works basically. So two scenarios we are going to talk today. The first scenario is we'll demonstrate how to use rank function on employee table to rank employees based on year, month and day in ascending order. Correct? Okay. Year, month and day in ascending order. So this year, month and day is for a employee's birth date, right? So employee has a birth date here, as you can see here. So we want to now make a partitions based on the birth date, where we can use rank function, right? So this is how the rank function we can use here. So I'll show you that rank function first and then we'll execute the query. So select employee number comma first name comma last name. So these are the employee tables columns, right? And then we'll use year birth date, month birth date and day birth date, right? So we are reading the year, month and date from that birth date basically, because birth date is date. So we are just reading year, month and date separately here, and then we are applying rank function here. This is very important part. So rank over partition by year birth date, order by birth date ascending, right? So this is how you can actually use rank function from employee table. So I'll show you once we execute, then you will understand more how this rank function will work basically, correct? So we'll execute this query now. So now as you can see, the employees are ranked based on their year of birth date. So starting from 1952, right? So 1952 month is 2, day is 24. So the rank is 1. So this is the first rank. So this is a partition basically. So partition is based on year basically. So what is our first partition? So first partition will go from here, right? So I'll just highlight you all these rows. So from here it will go until this point. So all 1952 is first partition. So until this point it will go, okay? Until this point it will go. So as you can see, these are all 1952 and these are the rankings, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will come until 13, right? This is all 1952. After that the next partition will start at 1953, the next year basically, correct? So this is how the ranking function works, right? Again for 1953 your ranking will again start as 1 2 3 4 basically, and it will keep increasing until the end. So 1953, so we will actually make it more size. So I can show you 250 is the size now we are making. So now as you can see it will be more clear, right? So now you can see 1953 here the ranking is 1, so it will keep increasing until this point 12, right? So this is the last record for 1953, and it is ascending. So the last month here is 11 and 26 is the day for 1953. That is the birth date of employee, correct? After that, the next employee birth date is 1954 to 23. So that is again reset the rank to 1 for the next partition, correct? So this partition is based on the birth year basically, correct? Again it will start increasing until this point, right? Until this point 1954. After that, when you get 1955, it will be reset to 1, as you can see, correct? This is how the ranking function works basically, correct? So I hope it is clear to you now. You understood how the ranking function will work here, correct? So I'll show you that query one more time and then we'll go to the next scenario. So this is how you can write the ranking function query. So whatever fields you want to select, we have selected those fields first here, right? So employee number, first name, last name, then we selected year, month and date, right? So year is function, MySQL function, month is a MySQL function, day is a MySQL function. So it is actually year will read the year from that birth date, month will read the month from the birth date, day will read the day from the birth date, right? And this is where our main important thing is, where we are actually now using a ranking here, right? So rank function over, and we are partitioning on the basis of birth date year, right? On the basis of year we are partitioning, and we are ordering by ascending birth date, correct? So you have seen, right? The dates are, the years are ascending, 1952, 53, 54, like this, right? You can use descending also. Then in that case you will see the birth dates will be in descending order. So if you want descending order, you can just change it to descending and it will show in descending orders, right? So I'll execute that again. So you will see that they are now in a descending order here. So 1952, 1953, let me check one more time. So rank over partition. Okay, so it's descending for the partitions basically, not for the whole thing, right? So I'll show you that. So this is descending on the partition. So you will see that the month 12 is coming first, right? The December is coming first, then November will come, then other months will come. So it is decreasing on partition, per partition basis basically, correct? So the months are starting from December and going towards January, as you can see here. So this is the last means this February here, and you stopped here because you don't have any record for January, right? Again for 1953 you are starting from November, 11 is November, so you are decreasing basically based on the months right here. So decreasing order basically for the partitions. Okay, so this is how the ranking function works. So this is the first scenario that we have seen here, right? So this scenario we have seen. Now the second scenario is demonstrate how to use rank function on the employee table to rank employees based on year, month and hire date, right? So now we are going to use hire date here for ranking, right? So this is another partitioning that I'll show you, but this time we are going to use the hire date here. So let's take a look at this one now. So again, similar columns, employee number, first name, last name, we are selecting from the employee table, right? And then we are selecting year from hire date and month from hire date. Now we are, this is important here, right? So we are again ranking it over partitioning by the, this one is hire date, right? Hire date. So we are uh, using hire dates year for partitioning, order by hire date ascending, right? Order by hire date ascending. So let's run this code now. So now this time it will be partitioning based on the hire date. Okay. So as you can see now, the hire dates are here like this. So we are actually using hire dates here, right? So date of hire is 1985, then 86. So I'll increase this size for, or let's say 250, right? So it will be clear for you. So it starts with hire date 85, right? 1985, then 86. See, you, it's increasing, 1987, 88, 1990 and so on, right? It will keep increasing. Now the important thing here to know is we are actually using 1985, month is February 2. So how many, so this one is, so like this records are partition. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and it will reach until 15, which is 1985, and month is 12, right? After that you will get 1986 basically, right? So it will be reset to 1 basically, correct? It will be reset to 1. The ranking function will reset that to 1 because you actually are starting with next year, right? 1986. So it will keep incrementing for 1986 until this point 16, right? After that, which is a December month for 1986, after that you get 1987 record for March, right? So again it will be reset to 1. So it is this ranking, this is how ranking works. So it is based on the partitions, these rankings are, right? So for example, the first partition is for 1985, right? It will go from 1 to 15. The next partition will for 1986. It will go from 1 to 16 here, right? 1 to 16. And third partition is for 1987, like this, right? So this is how you can write down this SQL query that uses a ranking function. So ranking is another very important windowing function. So that's what we wanted to demonstrate in today's session. So I hope you learn how to use ranking function with these two scenarios. So I'm going to add both these SQL queries in my GitHub repository and give you the link of these SQL queries so you can check it out. There are lots of other important algorithms and programs available in the GitHub repository for you. So don't forget to check out the other other programs in the solutions in the GitHub repository. If you like the solutions in the GitHub repository, consider giving it a star on the GitHub repository. That would be great. If you are new to this channel, there is a very important coding interview related playlist to help your interview rounds. It is called as Lead Code and Lead Code Solutions. 200 most frequently asked very important coding interview problems are compiled for you under one playlist. Those problems are asked by many big companies including Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Uber, Lyft many times in their past interviews. They are very important coding interview problems. Make sure you go through all of them, understand them thoroughly. If you go through those problems and videos, you are going to learn a lot about data structures, algorithms, problem solving, Java programming and coding. It will also help you learn lots of new techniques of problem solving. So do check out those solved problems. The name of the playlist is Lead Code and Lead Code Solutions. Now, if you are a fresher, junior level developer and you want to practice more coding problems for your interview preparation, we have created 3 other playlists for you for that. The names of those playlists are Code Forces, Code Chef, Coder. Go to the playlist of this channel. You will find all these playlists in the playlist there. The problems in the playlist are divided based on the problem types for your easier practicing purpose. So do check out the playlist from this channel right away. If you like this video, if this video has helped you learn how to use a ranking function of MySQL, one of the very important windowing function, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscription is very important because that's how the videos can reach to other people, so others will also be able to watch and learn from this video. So do subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and colleagues so they will also watch and learn from these videos more about problem solving and programming. Click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. On this channel, you will find lots of solved coding problems which are important varieties from interview perspective. That includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, breadth first search, depth first search, cadence algorithm, binary search algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra algorithm, sliding window algorithm. There are also lots of important data structure questions available for you here, including stacks, queues, priority queues, hash table, hash map, tree set, hash set, linked hash map, linked hash set, arrays, linked list. All those are important problems. So do check out all those videos, go through those problems. It will help you learn lots of new programming techniques. If you are a fresher, junior level developer and you are preparing for Java interviews, there are lots of Java related videos we have created to help you here. For example, frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them. Java design patterns, Java architecture, SQL programming questions to the freshers where they will give you database table. They will ask you to write SQL queries where you have to use different database concepts like joins, aggregate operations, group by and having clauses, different where clause conditions. Everything is explained in those videos with examples. So do check out those videos. There are videos that discusses recently asked questions about Unix to the freshers, like Unix commands, Unix utilities, shell scripting questions. All are here to help you in your interview preparation process. If you like the videos on this channel, if they are helping your learning process, you are learning new things here, more programming, problem solving and algorithmic approaches, then please do leave your messages, your feedback, your comments below these videos. Your feedback, your messages and comments are highly appreciated, very important and valuable for us. They increase our motivation to create more quality content videos. So do leave your messages, tell us how the videos are useful and helpful for you. If you want us to create videos about any specific computer science, Java J2E or interview related topics, then mention those topics in the below's comments sections as well, so that we can create those videos for you to help you in your interview preparation process. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process and practicing different problems going on continuously. Check out the playlist on this channel. There are important playlists we have recently created: dynamic programming, graphs, matrices, breadth first search, depth first search playlist, binary search problems, sliding window algorithm. So all are here to help you. So do check out the playlist right away. And thanks for watching these videos.